morning, y'all. Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Danielle if this is your very first time here, and today we're testing to see which stores have the best shorts for curvy women. Right now we're at Old Navy, so we're going to run in and see what we can find. Let's go. See what shorts we can find right off the bat. Here are a few, 60% off. And let's see if they have my size. I need a size 16. My true size is a 16, but if there's no stretch, then I'll go up. So I'm gonna use a size 16 to decide whether they are true to size. And I'm also gonna grab an 18 just in case they run small so that I can try on both at the same time. Let's see if we can find a 16 and an 18 in the same color, because sometimes the stretch is different, or like the fit is different depending on the fabric. Okay, I think we have enough. Let's go try this stuff on. Okay, so I really wanted a pair of these longer shorts. These are a size 20. I couldn't find a 16 or an 18. So I do think they look okay. They're really big in the waist area because they're a size 20, but they don't have any stretch. So really you have to choose between them fitting everywhere else and fitting in the waist. We'll probably have to get them tailored. Let's do the sit test. Because they're a size 20, bigger, 2 sizes up from my normal size, they fit in the waist. So, or if they give me a lot of room. So no worries there. They won't cut off my circulation. But there is a ton of extra space in these, so they need to be tailored for sure. And overall, I think I'm underwhelmed by these. I don't know that I love them. These are the mid-rise baggy with a 9-inch inseam. So these are the high-rise wow with a 4-inch inseam. Plenty of space. These are size 16. Lots of stretch. They are, I would say these are too short, or coming up on the border of too short. But I think with a looser shirt they would look okay, as long as you're not worried about your cellulite showing, because baby, it will in these shorts. I have on the 16, here's the 18. 16 works just fine. Let's do the sit test. Plenty of room in these because they are so stretchy. Definitely get your actual size in these. Do not size up. But while I do like the comfort of these, I would say they're not going to be comfortable. For me, where they're not going to be comfortable is how much they roll up when I walk. I think these are going to be coochie cutters by the time I start to walk around. These are high-rise baggy with a 5-inch inseam, and because they have no stretch, the size 18 does not work. So let's move on. These are the OG straight with a 4-inch inseam, and again, they're very short. They have a little bit of stretch, and this is a size 18. So they work, but they're not super stretchy. And again, it's so short. So while I love the color, I probably would not buy these because they're going to be riding up all day long. And I'm going to be tugging all day long. If I did get them, I would go up a size, another size, to give myself a little bit more space. So maybe they wouldn't ride up as much, and to give myself a little bit more room in the waistband. So because I had the 20 in the fitting room already, I went ahead and put them on just to see what they look like. And I actually think they fit worse. They have more room in the waist, but this is dangerous because it will show what's happening underneath here as soon as I try to bend over. Since it's not clean, it's gonna show cheek when I bend over. So these do not pass the cheek test, okay? But yeah, this is what they look like. These also have a lot more space in the stomach area, which is not most flattering to have this like fold over happening right there. And these are the last pair. They're Disney themed. They have a little Minnie Mouse. They're so cute. But because they're 4-inch inseam, I know they're gonna be too short. So might as well not waste my time trying them on. But they are super cute. Okay, y'all, so after all the trying on, I didn't actually find anything to buy today because the only ones that I actually liked the length and fit of were the high-rise baggy ones, which I already own in a size 20 in a different color. And they didn't have that particular color I do want, but they didn't have it in my size. So I was not able to grab those today. But outside of that, I really think the 4-inch shorts are too short for me. Which makes it kind of hard because most of the shorts were 4 inches. And then the 9-inch were a little longer. I feel like they would be comfortable to wear, but again, because they're so big, I needed a size, because they don't have any stretch, I needed a size 20, which made them bigger in the belly area, made them bigger around the waist. They just weren't going to fit right unless I got them altered, if that's what you want to do. So I would say Old Navy is really a good place to look for shorts, but I didn't really have much luck today. But let me know what y'all think down in the comments, and I'll see y'all in the next video where we're going to go to Lane Bryant. So I'll see y'all next time.